Hi, welcome to the session. Today we are going to discuss about Prasanam's circle algorithm. Circle is frequently used components in pictures and graphics. A circle is defined as a set of points that are all at a given distance from a center position xc, yc. The circle equation x minus xc the whole square plus y minus yc the whole square equal to r square. If we need to find the boundary point of the particular circle, in the sense the particular boundary point is, take it as a x comma y, so we need to know about any one coordinate, that means either x or y. Here the x is the sample unit. From this equation we have to find the corresponding y coordinate. Next, based on the polar coordinate, we can able to find the circle boundary point. The polar coordinates are r and theta. R is the radius and theta is the angle, that is angle from the center point. So the x equal to xc plus r cos theta and y equal to yc plus r sin theta. That means if a center point 4 comma 4 for a particular circle, in the sense the that 4 comma 4 is the center point xc comma yc. The radius 2, in the sense then the radius r equal to 2. So every point has some particular angle. The identified boundary point has the angle 90 degree from the center point. So that can be applied in the equation, in the sense the x equal to 4 plus 2 cos 90 degree and y equal to 4 plus 2 sin 90 degree. So x equal to 4 and y equal to 6. So we get the particular corresponding boundary point 4 comma 6. If we find a particular boundary point in a circle, in the sense we can able to get the other 3 point based on the symmetry of circle. That means the quadrant 1 and 4 are symmetry of circle with respect to x axis. That means the x value is same and the y value changed the particular sign. First and fourth coordinates are symmetry of circle with respect to x axis. That means if we find the first quadrant boundary point, in the sense in the fourth quadrant the x value is same but the y values sign going to be changed. The same way first and second quadrant are symmetry of circle with respect to y axis. That means if we find a particular boundary point in first quadrant, in the sense in the second quadrant its y quadrant is same value but the x quadrant sign is going to be changed. For example, if the first quadrant value is 2,7, in the sense in the second quadrant the same boundary point y value is same but the x value is going to be changed the sign. Next, the second quadrant and the third quadrant are symmetry with respect to x axis, so the x value is not changed, only the y quadrant sign is changed, so minus 2 comma minus 7. Next, third quadrant and fourth quadrants are symmetry of circle with respect to y axis, so the y quadrant value is not changed but the x quadrant value is changed their sign, so it getting 2 comma 7. If we find the particular boundary point in a circle, in the sense we can get the other 3 boundary points, so only the 25% of work achieve the all the boundaries of the circle. If we go deeply, in the sense every quadrant is symmetry with respect to the 45-degree line divide in the 2 octant. That means within a quadrant we have a 2 octant. If we find any one boundary point in a particular octant, in the sense the corresponding other octant in the particular quadrant get the boundary point based on the symmetry. For the other boundary we can get the boundary value, just we swap the values of the xy coordinates. In the example we have a 2 comma 7 which is getting in one particular octant, so other octant we get 7 comma 2. In the same way the second quadrant we get the minus 2 comma 7, the other quadrant of the particular octant we can get minus 7 comma 2. Here the sign is not changed, only the value is changed. Here the sign is not changed, only the value of the xy is interchanged. In the same way, the third quadrant we get minus 7 comma minus 2 and minus 2 comma minus 7. In the fourth quadrant we get 2 comma minus 7 and 7 comma minus 2. So if we find a particular boundary point of the circle, in the sense we get other 7 boundary points. In this manner, if we find all the boundary points of the particular octant, in the sense we can achieve the remaining boundary points. So we have to find the only 1 by 8 portion of the circle boundaries. Almost we save the 85% of the computational timing. This is Prasanam's line algorithm. So first step, here the inputs are radius r and the center point xc comma yc. The starting point x0 and y0 equal to 0 comma r. Usually the circle's center point is not origin, in the sense we have to shift it to the origin. After computing the boundaries, we can able to retransmit to the actual center point. If we change the center point, in the sense based on the radius, we can get the boundary of the circle. Here the radius equal to 2, we can get the two fixed point, that is 0 comma 2 and 2 comma 0. This is the algorithm which is sample the x unit interval. So in this algorithm steps, every time the x value is going to be increased by 1. So the x value initially 0, so the corresponding y is 2, so the initial value 0 comma 2, so the starting x0 and y0 considered as 0 comma 2. Here we have a doubt. Next the x value is increment by 1, so the x equal to 1. Now the corresponding y either 2 or 1. So we have a confusion, so we have to find the initial decision parameter. So the equation is p naught equal to 1 minus r. The r value is 2, so 1 minus r, we get the p naught is minus 1. So the step number 3, we have a condition, so pk is less than 0. Here our k is 0, so p naught, so minus 1 is less than 0, so we have to use the particular condition. Next pixel is xk plus 1 comma yk. That means x value is 1 and the yk is remaining same. So the next pixel 1 comma 2. Next we have to find the corresponding next decision parameter, that is pk plus 1. Here it is the p1. Here we have to calculate 2xk plus 1. Here the xk is the newly founded boundary point. So 1 into 2, in the sense we get 2. In the same way we can able to use the current position xk comma yk also. So both giving the same answer. For our convenience, we can able to use the LHS or RHS. So after finding the boundary point, we have to find the symmetry points in other 7 octants. Initially, for the symmetry point of 0 comma 2 is 2 comma 0. Next the symmetry point of 1 comma 2 is 2 comma 1. So we can able to find the other octant values. After getting the all the points, we can able to move to the original center point. So every corresponding boundary point have to add it with the corresponding x value and y value. So first 0 comma 2, here the x value and y value is added with the 4, because 4 comma 4 is the our original center point of the circle. So it is getting 4 comma 6. Next 1 comma 2, which is moved to 5 comma 6. Next 2 comma 1, which is moved to 6 comma 5. And next 2 comma 0, which is moved to 6 comma 4. So we can find the other octants. So we can find the other boundary points based on the symmetry. So this is the final boundary points calculated by the algorithm. Next, this is the another one problem which is solved by the next video. Thank you.